Hello my lovelies, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody is very well today. So, excuse me, today we are doing an unboxing of a Roccabox. It is a monthly subscription beauty box. This one that I've got is like £10 a month. There is a £3.95 delivery charge. There's options also to buy any previous boxes. However, just having a look, a lot of them are sold out. And occasionally they will do special edition boxes, which are £25 to purchase. So, I will leave a link. If you want to give Roccabox a go, you will get a 10% discount on your first order. And I get a massive £2 off my order. Please also be aware that if you do sign up for this monthly subscription, it will be an automatic direct debit. So obviously if you don't like it, be sure to cancel it. You can do that on the site to cancel the monthly direct debit. I always try to look at things like that to make you aware that if you don't cancel it, they will continue to take the money out of your account. So just be like mindful of that. Anyway, that's the box. So that comes in a little pink bag. Should we have a look, see what's inside? Okay, so it says, "Hello gorgeous." And inside we have leaflet. Oh, that just fell out. We have, looks like a bag, a tea bag, vitamin T. And our products are in here underneath all this stuff here. So let's have a look and see what Roccabox has for us this month. So the first thing I see, this little card here, by the way, does give you a description of what everything is that's in the box. So glasses on. This one here is called Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask Intense. Would normally cost £25. It says this unique multi-mask is enriched with acids, P-peptide, caffeine, biotin, leaving thin hair healthier, thicker and fuller. This is designed to moisturise without weighing hair down. Coconut oil nourishes the hair and scalp, keeping them in optimum condition to achieve healthy looking hair. This would be available online at www.growgorgeous.co.uk. The price shown would be for 280ml, £25, and this is a 60ml. So let's just have a quick look. Oh, that smells, I wish you could smell it. It smells delicious. And the consistency, wow. That is just like, it's absolutely, that is so amazing. I'm so going to try this out, and I'm going to do, like, when I try some of these products out, I'm actually going to do like an update and tell you what I thought worked, what didn't work. I think that's a good idea. Looking forward to trying that. Then we have this. This one is called Mud Masky Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. Retails at £19. This says refines pores and brightens while keeping your skin hydrated and smooth. This mask helps to balance your skin's pH for a perfect complexion, making it visibly healthier, plumper and feeling more energized. This is available at mudmasky.com, and this is the travel size that we have here. So let's have a look. And this is also 20ml. It's got one of them doodahs on it. I do like these, just so you know, nobody's been touching your products. Ooh. Wow. I can't smell anything apart from that hair stuff. Okay, well, I will try this out and give it a go, see if it helps with my pores, because I do have big fat pores. So I'll give it a go and see what. Right, let's have a look at the next one. Next one is a Huda, is that how you pronounce it? Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in colour Girlfriend, and this would retail at £18. That's this. Introducing Huda's Beauty latest lip beautifier, the Liquid Matte and unrivaled take on the liquid lipstick. The tried and true comfort wear formula is infused with an exclusive complex to help maintain the lips' hydration. The lightweight formula glides on a thin coat of colour that intensifies as it sets to a matte, transfer-free finish with amazing staying power. Available at shophudabeauty.com, and this is a full-size product. So let's have a look. Love the packaging, it's beautiful. Let's have a look. Whoa, not sure about the colour. Wow, that's very intense. That's very like, oh, I don't know, I kind of think, I want to say it's like a nude, but it's certainly coming across as quite orangey. If I don't have this on, I would actually give that a try, but I will again like do a follow-up and let you know how these products do work. £18 for a lipstick, wow. Okay, so next we have this, whatever it is. These are the Perfect V Beauty Sheets. Value of £2.50. Cleanse, refresh and pamper with the Perfect V's Beauty Sheets. These refreshing pH balance and generously sized sheets enhance the beauty of the V area while gently cleansing delicate skin. Individually packaged, they're the perfect on-the-go beauty item. These are available at harveynicholas.com, and this is a full-size one, but obviously you'd get a box, I guess, of a few. So again, I'll give that a go. We have, what is this? This Works Stress Check Roll-On. £16. Dispel all anxiety and release any tension with this 100% natural essence oils of lavender, vetiver, chamomile, frankincense, eucalyptus. Feel restored and look fully revitalized after a precious night of stress-free me time with the Stress Check Roll-On. This is available at www.thisworks.com. Price shown for this is for an 8ml bottle, which is £16, and this is a 5ml. Now, if this was the answer to all our prayers, a 5ml bottle of Stress Check Roll-On. Smells nice. I can smell definitely lavender in there. That's like quite intense. Probably would actually give me a headache, this would. I'm looking at the instructions, and I have no idea where are we supposed to roll this. Like, it doesn't actually give any instructions. Roll onto pulse points, enjoy the scent and unwind. Well, let's give this a go now. So we have a pulse here, a pulse here, pulse here, pulse here. Put loads on, see if it works. Again, I'll let you know whether I feel relaxed later. I'm not sure about this one, but. And it seems like this is our last item, which are, what what they're called, pop band hair ties, which are £8. Pop bands are deliciously soft, stretchy, no dent hair ties that hold ponytails up tight but still leave hair fresh and kink free when you take it down. Plus they won't rip or damage hair like regular hair bands. When you're not using your pop band to hold up your hair, wear it on your wrist as a super cute bracelet. Mixture of colours available, and these are available from www.thepopband.com. So let's see what these are all about. Okay, they're quite pretty actually. You see them, ladies? Very pink. This has got like some sort of glitter texture. And this one's just like the other pink one, but a subtle, more subtle pink. So they're quite pretty. I could see myself wearing them as a bracelet more than a bauble, to be honest. Quite cute though. Try not to hit that lipstick. There we go, as a bracelet. Right, so that's all I've got in my box. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for £10 plus £3.95 delivery. If you like this video, please comment down below what your favourite item was. What would you use the most? If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today. I'll be back with anonymous jewellery. I know I said that I was going to post that one out, but I decided to do Roccabox first, so I'll try and get anonymous jewellery up by the weekend. Take care, my lovelies. If I don't speak to you before now, have a great weekend. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.